Hi. Hey, guess what? Uh, Gabe's Trains here. That's the same westbound we saw earlier. Kinda weird. Watch. You'll see in a second. See? 7306. GECX 7306 and GECX 3626. Kinda crazy. Awesome. Cool. Well, now he's gonna go that way, back up, and go west, so then we'll try to catch it and charter it. Like I said earlier. Sorry about that. We're in all this. Excuse me. There's that same graffiti. He had car horse, but he added to a different train. So that's a long train. He's go that way, back up, pick up more cars and head west on the front stop towards Charlotte, Michigan. So it'll be dark when it goes there though. It'll be kinda dark, but we can try. It'll be a long time now before it gets there. Oh, there's the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.